Through our human resource, social welfare, health, and training programs, we help our employees in their personal growth. As a commitment to their families, we have given housing to 20 families in Antioquia, improving their living conditions. We offer medical assistance to maintain and better their health. We also promote education with our personnel so that they may improve themselves through elementary, high school, and technological education. We also provide sports and recreational activities. In the Savannah, we have subsidized meal programs, and in our greenhouses we create a musical environment with a system of speakers. The children of our employees attend daycare centers during their parents' work shift, where education is provided according to their age. Medical assistance and balanced nutrition is provided in these centers. Because we are leaders in research and development of technology focused on clean production and environmental protection. Because our brands and flowers are highly recognized in international markets and are characterized by excellent quality and service. Because we develop a long-term relationship with our customers. Because we have more than 20 years of experience in direct sales, and because we are at the cutting edge of what the market demands, consider Cultiva Farms your fresh-cut flower producer.